Hello everyone, welcome to today's Novedge webinar, Textile and Apparel Design using Reach Fashion Studio. Reach Fashion Studio uses intuitive and easy-to-use tools that support and enhance the creative productivity of designers while saving design costs and time. Reach Fashion Studio also enables designers to digitally collaborate with technicians and manufacturers who are often located in distant locations. Sales team can use digital catalogs of fabrics and garments created using Rich Fashion Studio to showcase products to the customers. Today's webinar presenter, Vivian Kakar, has about 20 years of product development, merchandising, sourcing, and production experience in the apparel sector, and is also joined by Chris, who's going to give us a hands-on demo. So stay tuned for a great show. And let me tell you a little bit about Novedge and what we do. Novedge is changing the way designers purchase 3D software, offering more choices, more freedom, best advice, faster service, and most importantly, no headaches. Check us out at novedge.com, where you can find Reach Fashion Studio among many other products. And for more daily software news and promotions, you can also follow us on social media. Last but not least, today's webinar is free and is being recorded and later on posted on our Vimeo and YouTube channels. And now, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to Chris, who's going to take over the screen and demo Reach Fashion Studio. Take it away, Chris.
Yeah, this is the one. Hello all. Thank you for joining us on this webinar on Reach Fashion Studio. As the name suggests, Reach Fashion Studio is a software for fashion designers. Fashion designers at large are creative people and do not wish to go through the cumbersome process of creating style detail sheets, commonly referred to as tech packs. We growing need of new fashion every day, but design sheet is the last thing we want to spend our time on. Conventionally, the designs were hand drawings, which later graduated to a stage wherein software are being used now. However, most of the software being used today are actually developed for paper media. Lack of specialized tools and lengthy process slows the speed of designing and lead to inaccuracies. Designers have to often use multiple software for designing and tech pack creations. With Reach Fashion Studios, the entire process of designing the tech pack has become a single window operation. There are a lot of user-friendly tools as well as library which can be used to design more efficiently. My colleague Chris is going to demonstrate the way RFS can help designers to create the designs and tech pack easily and with more precision. We will be addressing all your questions and queries post the demo. Over to you, Chris.
Hi, this is Krish from Rich Technologies. I'm going to show you the brief demo of Rich Fashion Studio. This is the working area of the Rich Fashion Studio. Menu bar, layers. Right hand side top, you can see the tools. For each and every tool, we will get a sub options. Here in Rich Fashion Studio, we are working in 3 modules: Edit Studio, Edit Texture, and Edit Canvas. First, I will start with Edit Studio. In Edit Studio, we are having library, inbuilt library. In this, we are having different types of wrinkles, lace, texture, like different types of woven material, prints, and decoratives like buttons, scarves, watches, and models. I'm taking a mannequin, different types of mannequins, drag and drop. We are in model layer. I'm working in fashion now. I'm going to switch it to fashion layer, and I'm going to drape a garment. how to modify that. In background, back panel. You can even add or delete the layers. Like this, we can drape a garment and we can add texture to this. In library, we're having different types of texture saved. Suppose if I want a net cloth, here I'm having like lace. In texture table, you can add number of textures here. We're having different types of laces saved in our library. Drag and drop a lace and select the panels and drag and drop the lace. Like this, you can rescale the repeat, and you can even give 45 degrees bias angle cut. You can see now it is in straight 90 degrees angle. If you want to shift that into 45 degrees, you can even give a bias angle. We are having a Pantone color shade here. Bottom of the screen you can see. You can drag and drop the color. Even you can add the lace to this, create tape. Draw the path. And in library, we are having lace, different types of laces saved in your library. You can just drag and drop them and rescale. So this you can even add the lace. Now I'm going to show you the denim, how to give a shading effect for denim garment. This is the garment which had been draped in the software. Suppose for this denim dress, denim jeans, you want to give a shade effect, sandblasting and viscose effect, tacking. I'm reducing the pressure, and you can add the shade effect, sandblasting. Like this, you can give the shade effect. This is the shading and this is the original one. If you want any tearing effect, anything shadow effect, you can even convert the real JPG images into shadows and save in our library for future use. remove the background. Then we can add this to the garment. In edit texture, you can create a woven material, yarn-dyed fabrics, select the colors. We are even having Pantone color shade here. By searching with the help of number, you can find the Pantone colors. Now I'm going to select the colors. Next, define warp and weft. I'm going to clear here number of warp yarns and weft yarns. Define structure. Here we can mention the structure like plain weave, quill weave. The weaving structure you can mention here, and we are having some inbuilt weaving structures saved in our library. You can directly open them like plain weave, quill weave, dobby weave, jacquard weave, and you can get the yarn-dyed fabric. We can use the same fabric to our garment. Drag and drop. Reduce the rescale timings. You can turn this into bias 45 degrees angle. Even you can create a print fabric in e-texture. Suppose if you have any JPG file saved in your computer, suppose this is the JPG file I'm having. So load that image here, open current. Automatically it will take repeats. So select the flower. So you'll get automatically repeats. You can even shift the repeat, like repeat. Now it is in straight, horizontal and vertical. So I'm shifting the repeat like horizontal half repeat and vertical half repeat. And same print fabric we can use to our garment. Now in edit canvas module, if you have any JPG file of a model, like we are having images like this, a model photo, just a photo JPG file. If you want to change the color of this suit, Double click on this, we will go to edit canvas module. Here we are having option like draping. Just draw the outline. And then just drag and drop. Suppose if I want a denim fabric to be added, just drag and drop the fabric, and you'll get exact as if he is wearing that. Like this, you can change the texture of the garment. Now in this we can even create a tech pack. Now I'll create a tech pack for a men's trouser. With the help of coordinate lines and big cross for guiding, I'll draw a tech pack. I'm taking a solid line, increasing the line width. First I'm going to draw half band. I'm going to draw waistband. Belt loops. I'm going to add stitches to this. Like in line, we are having different types of lines here, like line, dot, dot, zebra, zigzag line, zipper line. Now I'm going to take dot line. Now our half pant is ready. I'm going to copy that with some horizontal mirror. I'm going to add case stitch. Now I'm going to add bar tags for this. Bar tags I'm taking zigzag line. Like this, you can create a outline of a trouser and show the technical specifications. You can add even measurements, like full length, leg opening, waist round. Like this, you can do the specifications. Even you can import Excel table for measurements. Like this, you can create a tech pack. Now I'm going to show you some more tech packs created using RFS. This is a cargo shirt created in this software. Front view and back view, measurement chart, description of the accessories. The color options. Like this, you can show the color options, different types of fabrics used in this. Like this, the destruction of a cat scratches. This is the plated short print and camo print. This is the skirt. You can show the seams, the zip details. Even you can convert this into JPG image with high resolution to take printouts. Yeah, did you?
Yeah. I think you would have a fair idea of the software by now. We are open for open questions now.
Yes, we're sticking around for questions, so let us know. This is your chance to interact with the guys from Reach Technologies. Thanks for showing us the complete workflow. It sounds extremely fun and looks very easy.
We've just tried to squeeze it in as less as time as possible because there are a lot more options which are available in the software.
I bet,
Just try
yes.
to reach all that.
Yes, well, I don't see questions coming in, so if you guys want to, if there's anything else you would like to demo?
I think this is good enough right now.
Okay.
This probably gives a clear idea of the capabilities
Yeah.
of the software. And,
looks great. Yes, so in this case, I'm going, if you don't mind, I'm going to take the screen back so I can show everybody where they can find Fashion Studio on our webpage. Here it is, Reach Fashion Studio. There's all the options, and it's very easy to navigate our website. So come visit us at novedge.com. Novedge is changing the way designers purchase 3D software, offering more choices, more freedom, best advice, faster services with no headaches. Yeah, we're looking forward to get some clicks. And thanks for joining us today. You can always find us on all the social media. I've been recording this demo, so you can find it later today on YouTube and Vimeo. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great rest of the day or night if you find yourself on the other side of the globe. Bye-bye, everybody.
Thank you. Bye-bye.